Hello, my name is Sleepy and welcome to my stream. We got some cool new beats. Harris Heller dropped some more stream beats. So we've got this fun music to play in the background. So today we're going to be doing our first official episode of Let's Talk About It, and what we're going to be talking about is DBD meta. What I have here is show notes. So this is a talk show about, this episode's about Dead by Daylight. So I kind of wanted to talk especially about the new Hillbilly and Bubba changes, because I haven't played them, so I was kind of hoping we'd get some input from people. So I'm assuming everybody knows Dead by Daylight, because that's kind of primarily where like most of my followers have played Dead by Daylight, or if we can look at their Twitter. If you don't already follow me on Twitter, you're missing out on some really weird shit. Not really, I mostly just like memes. Asymmetrical horror game developed by Behavior. It's set in Montreal, that's why some things are spelled weird. Oh my god, we could just look at memes all day. People are so fucking talented. How do people do artwork? Okay, Cross Friends beta starts today on PC. They already have the Cross Friends beta? Was that in the new update? We're excited to announce the beta for Cross Friends, a new feature coming to Dead by Daylight. Cross Friends updates the existing in-game friends list with the ability to add friends in different platforms, allowing you to invite them to your lobbies for Windows and Steam. So is it in the PTB or is it live right now? All right, adding friends. To add a friend, simply head to your friends list and enter your friend's ID. It's located on the top of the friends list. It is live? Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Why haven't we been playing this? Oh, so it's crossplay between Windows and Steam only? Add a friend and your friend's ID is a tab. Alternatively, click in the name of someone in your lobby. After a match, we'll get the option to add them to your friends list or block them from sending you requests. The Cross-Friend beta is available on Steam and Windows Store starting July 6th. This beta will be used to ensure that the feature is stable before extending it to consoles. In case of emergency, we are able to disable the system without a client update. Yeah, between console and PC will be later, no ETA yet. When will I be able to add my friends on console mobile? For console, we are unable to provide an ETA just yet, but we share more information when it's closer to the release of crossplay for consoles. I didn't know that you couldn't play between the Windows Store and Steam. Like, I didn't know that you couldn't. I knew that they had like when you log in on the Steam via Steam or whatever, they had like the little button that you couldn't unclick for crossplay. I guess it's just random. It must be like if all the Windows lobbies are full or something, they send some of them over here. I have no idea. Or like they just have been testing it secretly. For mobile, we do not have any plans for Cross Friends or Crossplay between PC consoles and mobile at this time. Well, yeah, they just launched mobile, and the game is written in a completely different code. It would be very tough. Cross Friends, Cross Play, and Cross Progression. So Cross Play allows you to be matched with players on other platforms, which I thought was already happening, like you said. Cross Friends allowed you to add players on other platforms and invite them to your matches. So that sounds like that's what they just added. So this is what they had for between Steam and Windows, but you couldn't necessarily add them. Cross Progression allows you to share your progress between the different platforms you play on. So I wonder if people who have it, like have an account on Steam that says it has like Meg to level 50, like if you have to pick one or the other, like if you play on both, will I be able to add friends through Steam? Yes, the Cross Friends feature does not replace your Steam friends list. Your Steam friends will still appear in the in-game friends list. Now you'll be able to add people from other platforms as well. What happens if I change my name on Steam? Will it update for my friends? Yes, your name in-game is still synced to the name on the platform you're playing on. Will blocking someone prevent me from being matched against them? No. Only blocks request. What if I accidentally send the wrong person a friend request? Don't worry, you can cancel outgoing friend requests at any time. I found a bug. That's not a question. But sassy. But please be sure to report it here. I've never actually like tried to browse the discussions at all. Forums are so 2003. Is this just me or is this really hard to like? I want memes. Where do I get my memes? I'm not about it. This is worse than the DBD subreddit. Like, let's go to the DBD subreddit. Oh boy. This is actually water mirror. You'd be so proud. There's also a soda right next to it. And then a backup soda for when I finish that one. But you know, water. What a nice killer. He's not camping at all. Haha. Devour Hope. Devour Hope doesn't get used that much anymore. A killer main getting off my 9-to-5 shift and coming home to commit virtual therapeutic homicide. I feel like whenever I run Devour, it does get destroyed. like a lot. I think I've only ever got to use the Mori maybe 3 times and twice was in the same game. When you 4K with no gens done and not a GG in sight. I can feel your anger. It's because you're playing a doc. Doctor is just like, he's not even like good or bad to go against, but he's just fucking annoying. Like just fucking annoying. Me getting stunned as Bunny Legion, seeing his bunny foot when breaking the pallet. You can't, it's really hard for them to compare people to each other, you know? Like you can compare maybe like Oni to Leatherface because they can both down multiple people in a row, but like the whole point of the Hillbilly was like traversal and like being able to cross the map and everything, because at the time when he came out it was Wraith, who was stealth, Trapper, who was traps, and then Hillbilly, which was traversal and one hit downs. Comparing him to Oni is like comparing like a wolf to a schnitzel. Like they're technically the same, but like Oni is a better Billy at this point. He really is. He's easier to move without add-ons. Survivor mains and killer mains both agreeing that the Hillbilly change is stupid. Yeah, I don't know who thought the Hillbilly change was A, necessary, or B, a good idea. I haven't heard his scream.
Going on today, I don't know.
Oh my god, can we slow that down? He sounds like he's aware of the changes coming to him and he's in pain. He really does. Oh my god. That sounds terrible. That sounds so bad.
What's so different? Is this something? Oh, it's tinkering maybe. I don't know.
It's a shriek of pain. It does. It sounds like he's like yelling like when a survivor gets hooked and they yell, ah! What are they doing to you, bruv? That's a good accent. Oh man, that is terrible. I mean, like, it's gold. It sounds like the Hillbilly farted. It sounds like a really bad fart.
Or maybe. I don't know.
I can't stop. It's so funny. It sounds like when you take like 2 pieces of metal and like rip them apart and then like smash them back together. Or when you hit the brakes too hard on your car. I can't. Oh man, poor Billy. Poor thing. So close yet so far. That's why you don't 99 doors. Okay, let's go on a little rant about 99 in the damn doors. So you 99 the doors, that's fine if somebody has just gone down. Or if the killer is actively in a chase with somebody across the map. But I would say 90% of the time, just open the door to leave. Okay, there's 3 reasons to do this. 1, the killer just wants you to leave. If you're ready to go, just go. Like, don't just like wait till you see the killer and then open the door and run out. Like, that's just mean. 2, chances are they don't have blood warden, right? So you shouldn't, like, 2, if you leave the door, that second stutter has fucked over so many people. And 3, it starts the timer and people are like, well, I need the timer to go and make saves. You don't. What's the point in gen rushing if you need more time to get saves? It doesn't make any sense. So you're either gen rushing to go fast and should open the door to make the game over faster, or you should go slower because you're trying to be more immersed so that you can get everybody out without getting hooked. It doesn't make sense. Why gen rush if you're not going to open the door? Like, the timer is 3 minutes longer if somebody is hit or down. Open the damn door, or at least fucking stand by it. Nothing is worse than when you're in a chase with the killer. You got that, like, that one pallet between you and the door. You slam the pallet down, the killer doesn't go to break it, and you have to open the door, so you're dead. She's not even looking at the camera. How rude. Alright, final thoughts on Dead by Daylight. We all know. It's a great game. We all know it. We all love it. We all hate it. All of the above. It's never going to be balanced. It just never will. because it's an asymmetrical game. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. 99 the gate, and it'll crash your stream.